Are you ready? I'm gonna leave that in. What's up guys, Untied Hawaii here with Mari, my fiance. We actually have a mystery box today from a cool company, Uniqlo Hawaii. Uniqlo Hawaii actually sent over this mystery box for us to open. And when they told me to open up this box, they actually wanted Mari on the channel as well for this unboxing. So, are you ready to unbox some mystery stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. And also, before we open this box, we did want to give you guys an update about Kuma, our dog, because a lot of you guys have been asking in the comments how he's been doing, because you guys do know that he had surgery on his tail and he wasn't feeling the best. So we have an update for you with Kuma himself. Yay, Kuma! Kuma. Kuma! There's Kuma. And can you guys see Kuma's little tail thing? Poor guy. Look at his little tail. No! His bandage is off though, so yeah. It's all shaved down, but yeah, his tumor thingy that was in his tail is all benign and stuff, so he's good now. Thank you guys for asking. Anyway, since Mari was in the video, I decided to get the whole family in here. Lila. And there's the last one. Woo! Here is the Untied family. Okay, let's open up this mystery box now, guys. You want to open it up?
Sure.
Okay. You do the honors.
Okay, your turn.
I'm a professional unboxer. This is my job, so I got this. So like I said, this was actually sent to us from Uniqlo Hawaii, and there's a little note on here. It says, "Dear Bryson, thank you for your support. Uniqlo marketing team." Very, very cool. And let's see what we have. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like we have a bunch of shirts in today. And a lot of shirts, and I'm guessing some of these are for you. These are colorful. Oh, dude, this is sick. This is Murakami stuff.
Yeah. Oh, this is Takashi.
You know, oh yeah, I forgot. Actually, we went to Complex Con, and Mari, we can put a little picture over here, got to take a picture with Takashi Murakami. We had stuff signed by him, actually.
Bag.
Yeah, so that was cool.
Body bag.
Yeah, that was cool. I think it's on my Instagram too. Here's my picture. Mari's picture is nicer. Anyway, this does look like Takashi Murakami did a collab, I guess, with Uniqlo. And let me open this up. Oh, okay, this is an actually collaboration with Billie Eilish and Takashi Murakami. So this is actually a three-way collab with Uniqlo, Billie Eilish. You know Billie Eilish, right? Mm-hmm. What's one song from Billie Eilish?
Don't ask. I have no idea.
Bad guy.
Okay.
You done? And Takashi Murakami. Yeah, this is why we don't have a singing channel. So we have over here.
Like a men's one.
Yeah, size large, so I'm assuming this is for me. And it has Billie Eilish by Takashi Murakami. You guys can check this out up close. This is actually pretty sick. If you guys didn't know too, Billie Eilish did a collaboration like music video with Takashi Murakami in the past. So they've worked together in the past, and they actually had like a whole music video design with Billie and also Takashi. So that's pretty cool, and I think a lot of the inspiration from this line comes from that. So this one's pretty sick. I'm gonna actually put this on so you guys can see what this looks like. Should I just change right here? Just... No.
Okay.
Here we go. So, the magic of filmmaking, you guys got to not see me take my clothes off on this video. That's pretty cool. But this is a good fit. I think this is like an oversized kind of tee too, right? Mm-hmm. It's a little bit bigger. I also got a sticker on. Should I leave this on? Is this cool?
Sure. Take it off.
Okay. But yeah, this is the first one from the collection though, so that is sick. Let's see if they sent over any... Oh yeah, right here, extra small. This is you. I'm excited to see all of like the different pieces in this collaboration, man. It sounds like it's a really cool thing. And I really like Takashi Murakami's art, so this should be dope.
Like
dude, that one's actually cooler than this one. I like that.
More of Takashi's...
Yeah, it has more of like the Takashi flowers, what he's like famous for, like that rainbow flowers. I think I only have like a couple pieces over here. Yeah, try and put that on then. I will use the magic of filmmaking so no one will see you changing. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. I think that's an oversized tee too, right?
I think so.
Okay, cool. Yeah. That's a size extra small.
Extra small.
I think the whole collaboration looks like it is going to be oversized tee design, so if you guys are trying to cop, then make sure you guys get a size down if you wanted like a normal size fit, or if you guys get your regular size, it is going to be a little bit more oversized. Also, for the people in Hawaii, this collection is dropping on June 11th, Thursday, so make sure you guys go check it out at Uniqlo Hawaii, located in Ala Moana Shopping Center, and I believe that they have their normal store hours. We're actually like off of our quarantine stuff, thankfully, so Uniqlo is open for business, normal store hours, and make sure you guys cop this drop because there's a lot of cool pieces. I want to see the rest actually, so let's see what else that we have.
Oh, that looks like you.
Does this look like me?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that a lot. Oh, this one's super sick. But the thing is that since they're working with Uniqlo, the shirt quality and stuff is super, super comfortable.
I was just gonna say, this one's super soft. Yeah.
Everything.
And it's thick. Not thick, but it's nicer material. It's not like a flimsy.
Yeah, it's not flimsy. That's what I really like about Uniqlo. Actually, when we went to our trip in Japan, like just in December, it seems like so long ago. When we went to Japan, like most of like the under stuff that we were wearing, like our like layered shirts and also like our long sleeves and stuff, we all got from Uniqlo because they have like good heat tech stuff and because it's like super affordable. But at the same time, you're getting good quality things, which I really like. And when they're doing collaborations like this is what I really, really like because it is affordable, like hype kind of clothing. And that's like something that people can get behind because it's not like a $50 t-shirt, you know, like a Travis Scott something. It's actually like affordable and comfortable. So that's what I like about this. See, I have so much black t-shirts though. That blue one is something a little bit different for me. But this one definitely looks more my speed. And I think a lot of people actually get behind this. So this is the men's Billie Eilish. And again, I'm just going to leave this tag on because, you know, fashion statements and whatnot. That's pretty cool. What else did you get? That pink one must be for me, right?
Let's see.
No, it's not for me. No way. What do we got? What does this design look like? Oh, okay. So this is like a more minimalist one. You know, I think that actually like this logo and stuff is from that music video that I was talking about. In this, that smash cut is just gonna have me changing shirts too. I decided to put this one on because it kind of matches hers. Has the same kind of logo except mine doesn't have a flower head. It looks like the flowers are actually inside of the design. So that's kind of cool. I really like that they have like a unique like different colored look too. They have that black, the white, the blue, pink. They have like this lime, which is actually pretty dope. I like this a lot. How's yours? I think that one's actually a kid's tee too.
Size 13.
Oversized. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. So yeah, not only do they have like a men's collection and a women's collection, but they also have a youth collection as well. Man, they sent over a lot of shirts. This collaboration has like a lot of drops in it. Oh, this black one is sick too. The black ones are just always so sleek. I just feel like that's the easiest. Oh, that one's super sick. What the heck? Oh man, I should have got like an extra large or an extra large in women's so I could wear this. That's cool. Okay, well I don't think you need to try that one on. You look good in the pink though. I like that.
Yeah, I don't usually wear pink, but
I don't usually wear lime either.
I know. Even blue, you don't usually wear blue.
Yeah, I mean, I always tell everybody in the back, like when they look at like my wardrobe, there's like two colors in there, one yellow shirt and one blue shirt. So thank you to Uniqlo Hawaii for actually hooking it up with different like colors of clothing. Kind of like actually adds to my very plaid and basic collection back there.
This is by far the brightest color in my closet.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, you wear a lot of dark...
black, white.
Just like me, that's why we're engaged. That's the only reason why.
I have a red one for Christmas, and that's it.
She didn't deny that that's the only reason why. You guys saw that. I said that that's the only reason why we're together, and you didn't even say no. It's just because we have the same style. Is that the only reason why?
I was thinking about my wardrobe. Sorry.
She still didn't deny it.
Oh yeah. That's why we're together.
No, it's supposed to be more than just that.
I mean... Move on already.
Yeah, this is why Mari is on very select few videos. Anyway, thank you again to Uniqlo Hawaii for sending this over, man. June 11th is when this will actually be dropping in stores. So again, check it out at Ala Moana Shopping Center. They will be open regular store hours. Affordable, very, very comfortable, as always with all Uniqlo stuff. And pretty darn hype. So I think this is something you guys do want to cop. I'm sure down the road, like once they sell out and stuff, it will be like worth a lot of money like on the aftermarket and stuff too. So you guys want to buy it now. I know Uniqlo has like a lot of collabs with like Cause and stuff. That was actually the first shirt that I had. And now since they actually sold out of that, the only way you can get them is by like spending a lot of money. So yeah, make sure you guys get them now before you guys have to spend like double the price like a few months later. Anyway guys, that is actually it. That was a pretty different mystery box. No shoes, but I do like the clothing that we got.
Me too.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video and you guys want to see Mari back on like more episodes, don't forget to hit that like button down below. You want to come back for more episodes? What? Why? They like you here.
I know, but it's scary.
She's just camera shy. She'll get used to it. I don't really like being on camera either, but here we are. We have a YouTube channel, so that's why we make videos. Anyway, thank you guys so much for supporting. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you guys are new here. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and we will see you on the next video, or at least I will. Shoots.
Oh, you didn't go towards the screen. Try again.
No, it's too late. You do it. Finish it. No. Finish it. Go.
No, you go.
Why are you embarrassed for?
Stay humble, stay blessed. Take care. Shoots.
And cut.